Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to subtract column or row in Microsoft Excel. This is the example for column. This formula equal sign. Select your first column, then minus sign. Select second column, press enter. Now select it, drag and drop. Similar if you have row, so equal sign. Select cell from first row, minus sign, then select second row, press enter. Now drag and drop. So this is the method, guys. You can subtract from column or row in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you or not.